Okay, here's an update to the GoTrain F-Unit project. This started out as, I believe, an Atlas shell, FP7. It's been custom painted. It's one of a kind. I got it off eBay for about $80 Canadian plus the shipping. So this is completely different than the Athearn release. That's a dummy coupler on the front. But you can see how different it is from the Athearn release. Just look at the grab irons all there. It's the correct roof detail throughout. So this was just the shell. I had to put my own coupler on the back. That was a bit tricky. Again, the engine itself though is gratis, free. A buddy of mine gave it to me. So I had to put in my own windshield glass and wire it up for DCC. So finally got it going. So there's the headlight, nice and bright. And I also installed surface mount LEDs for reverse operation. So reverse. Here are the red marker lights. And there's a reverse light as well. You can get it to work. Uh-oh. One moment. There it is. No sound in this particular unit. I didn't want to invest any more money in it, so about $80 for the shell, plus the shipping, plus the decoder was about $23 plus the lights. So for just over $100, it's a pretty sweet custom Roco. That's all. Thanks. Bye.